What's up, guys? This is another episode of Apple of the Eye. My name is Nick, and today we have a very special guest. He is the youngest artist here at the Apple of the Eye studio has to offer, and of course, without further ado, here is Jion Mendoza. Alright, so like I said a while ago, you are the youngest artist that Apple of the Eye has. And of course, would you like to tell us a little more about yourself? So get to know the artist here.
Once again, my name is Jion Mendoza. I'm from the high school department.
High school, wow.
I'm already 15 years old, although I don't look like it.
That's right.
So,
yeah, right. So you're in grade 9.
yes.
So I just got a little curious about this because it's not the first time I've seen you. I've seen you actually perform when you were a hell of a lot younger, like 2 or 3 years ago. So how did you start indulging yourself into music? Who taught you? I mean, what inspired you to pursue music?
Ever since I was a child, I was really into music. I like singing every time. Just singing along with the songs that my parents, my friends play. And I really like how the harmony, the music, it gets into me and it makes me feel more better.
So both your parents are also singers as well. Okay. So you also play instruments, right? Okay, like what instruments
I
do you
play guitars and drums too.
Guitars and drums. Okay. So Jion will be covering the song "You and Me" from the band Lifehouse. It is a melodic pop rock song, and of course, it was released digitally in 2005, and is considered to be one of the best songs from 1996 to 2011. So without further ado, here is Jion's cover of "You and Me."
What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seemed so alive. I can't keep up, and I can't back down. I've been losing so much time. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people with nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, and all other people. And I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. What are the things that I wanna say just aren't coming out right? I'm tripping on words, you got my head spinning. I don't know where to go from here. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people with nothing to do, nothing to prove. And it's you and me, and all other people. And I don't know why I can't keep my eyes over you. There's something about you now that I can't quite figure out. Everything she does is beautiful, and everything she does is right. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people with nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, and all other people. And I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you and me, and all other people with nothing to do, nothing to prove. And it's you and me, and all other people. And I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seemed so alive.
Okay, and that was Jion's take on You and Me by Lighthouse. So, congratulations on Trouble on that cover. Of course, I'd like to say that you have a really distinct voice. Parang it's like, I think if I remember correctly, and of course with this cover as well, you kind of sound like Bruno Mars, in a way. Okay, good job. Okay, would you like to invite any of our viewers to any of your concerts or like anyone in particular?
I would like to dedicate this song, the special song.
Yes. Wait, actually, buti pa siya may love life. Okay.
Also to of course to my family, my friends. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like, comment, and share this video.
Okay, do you have any YouTube accounts or SoundCloud accounts where indeed you can listen to your songs other than here at Apple of the Eye? Oh, you don't. Okay. So of course, if you'd like to see more of Jion, just tune in here at Apple of the Eye. You can subscribe, like, tweet, anything here at our social links down below. And this has been me, VG Nick, and here, Jion, and of course he is our Apple of the Eye for this week.
I said uptown, funk you up.